all the details for you, okay?
Okay.
Like, let's start from the front.
Yes.
You can see for this vacuum cleaner, there has two switches.
Yes.
Two switch.
Here are two switches.
Yes. One is for vacuum.
Yeah, the red one for vacuum.
And one is for steam.
Another for steam.
And here also have two lights beside them. When you connect with the power, the red will turn red.
Yes, when you connect the power, the light will from red to green.
Yes, and here you see here. Here is the hose for the steam.
Yes, here is a steam hose.
Yeah, and here is the vacuum hose.
Yeah, it's a vacuum hose.
The two hoses is together in one.
Yeah.
In one.
It looks great.
And also, here is a professional handle.
Yeah, this is a big handle.
Yes, very big handle. And here is the lock and unlock system. Because you know, this machine is with steam.
Yeah.
So we have many places to control the steam.
Yeah.
This is lock and unlock.
Okay, push it here.
Lock.
It's lock.
Yeah.
And push it back. It's unlock. We
Unlock.
can use it.
Yes, and here is also a handle. You can control the steam out or not.
Okay, yes.
Then the metal tubes
Yeah, metal tubes.
and the brushes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Then we move to the top of the machine.
Okay.
Maybe we can show here. This also with bigger handle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
bigger
can
handle.
put it, we can take it everywhere.
Yeah, carry it everywhere. And here is a switch. This switch is for steam. This switch is for steam.
Okay.
Steam, can you see?
Okay, this is to adjust the steam level.
Yes, to adjust the steam level. It can be max or minimum.
Okay, I know it.
Yeah.
And here is a transparent water
You can
tank.
see. Yes, you're right. This tank is for storage the water, and
Okay.
you just
Oh, I see.
Switch.
Here is a cover.
cover. Yeah, switch the cover, pour the water inside. Maybe now you can show customer how to.
We can add water anytime. Like this.
Yes, and
Okay.
also you can see there is a two level.
Yeah.
One is for the minimum and another for the max.
Maximum.
Yeah, it will give you a indication. Do you know how the capacity of this tank?
This tank.
Yes.
I see it's about 20 liters.
Oh, 20 liters is the whole machine capacity. And the capacity of the water tank is 1.5 liter.
Oh, 1.5 liter.
Yes, so it has a storage of 1.5 liter water. And do you know how long it will work for the steam?
Yes, that's what I want to say.
Yeah.
For 1.5 liter
Yeah.
water.
Water, yes.
Yes, I also want to know how long will it work.
It will work for 20 to 30 minutes for the steam. Nearly half an hour.
That's too long time. Only 1.5 liter
Yes.
can work so long time.
Yes, you know,
it's
in the
great.
market, there is also many different kinds of steam vacuum cleaner. Maybe some steam vacuum cleaner with small steam, and maybe some steam vacuum cleaner with very short working time. So all of the disadvantage we have recovered.
Yes, and I remember that most steam vacuum cleaners in the market, they can't use these two functions at the same time, right?
Yes, you are correct. Because you see, we have two switch. These two switch control vacuum and control steam. We can separate use it, only vacuum or only steam. Also, we can use them together with vacuum and with steam together.
Really great.
Oh, it's good. And here also you can see our accessories storage here. It's very
For storage.
Yeah.
Accessory storage.
accessory storage.
Yeah.
Yes. So now maybe we have a brief introduce of this machine. Also, oh sorry, we forgot. Here also have the bigger.
Two big wheels.
Yes, two big plastic wheels and two universal wheels. Yes, after we brief introduce of this, maybe we have a brief PPT summarize for customers firstly. Hi, from the summarize we can see this machine can be used for many places.
Yes, I see it like a kitchen.
Yes, kitchen,
Bathroom,
yes,
yeah, and
living
living
room.
room.
Yes. Also, it can clean for different service like the floor, wooden floor,
Yeah,
carpet,
yeah.
and the stove floor, and so on.
I
Yes.
think it's the window can
Yeah.
also use it.
Yes, you also can clean the window by the steam vacuum cleaner. So now maybe we can move to the next step. We will show how to use it.
Yeah, that's I can't wait already.
Okay, then let's first
can show.
connect the power.
Yeah. Wow.
And we firstly, maybe we start the steam function. Okay?
Okay, then
Okay.
we can test the steam first.
Steam first. So I will, before we started, I wanted to make another introduction. Because in the market, many steam vacuum cleaner need at least 25 minutes to
Wow.
heating the water.
Wow, that's really a long time.
Yes, very long time. So do you know how long will our machine takes to heating the water?
I'm so eager to want to know it.
It's just 10 seconds.
Wow.
Yeah, later we will show to you. We will count.
Yes, I
Okay?
think so.
So now we start it, okay?
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Sorry, I opened the vacuum system first.
This is steam.
Yeah, the steam here. I press the steam here, and you can see the light turn to red. So
From red to green.
yes, from red to green, that means it steady work.
Yes.
So now I will count. Oh, I'll not count, and it already started.
Yeah.
So maybe we can show to customers
Okay.
the steam. Here the switch, I first switch to the max.
Wow. I feel strong steam is coming.
Yeah, he is coming.
Yeah.
Yes, because just now we have tested it before. So there is some water still in the metal. So
Yes.
at the beginning, it maybe come out some water. It is common.
Yes.
So now you can see the steam is coming. Can you see?
Can you see it? Very strong steam.
Yes. Also, another advantage of our vacuum cleaner, we can operate it with adding the water.
Oh, you mean we can use it and add water at the same time?
Yes, because
Yeah.
in the market, many steam vacuum cleaners just can wait. If there is no steam, just need to wait and
Yeah.
wait 25 minutes again to make the water heating.
Okay.
But ours, we can heating the water together when it is working.
Oh,
Yes, it's good. So you can see there's very strong steam, right?
Yes.
Yes. And the next, we will also show the power of it.
Okay.
We turn on the steam first, and we start the vacuum. You see? You see?
Yeah. But you can also.
You see?
Wow.
It's a stronger suction.
Yes.
Under the third mode, we can use the steam and the vacuum together. You see, just now you maybe ask why there is some water here, because just now we only use the steam function. But if we use the vacuum and the steam function together, so all the water will suction inside also. Then we start it.
Wow.
Yes.
It's so strong.
Yes, you can see.
Wow.
Very strong
Yeah. Okay. Wow.
steam. You can see. Very strong
Okay.
steam here.
Okay. Yeah. The steam is so strong. May I know what's the maximum temperature of this model when we use steam?
Oh, for this steam, its temperature can reach 114 degrees.
Oh.
So by this degree, many the mite, the
Oh yes, and bacteria.
gas bacteria can be killed.
Yeah, I think I need this model very much.
Yes.
Because I have two nephews. They are very naughty and they love to play with dogs and cats in the on the bed.
Yes, you know.
And also on the carpet.
Yeah.
So we'll